how to fix Netflix keeps freezing on your smart television. So if Netflix is either crashing, freezing, or it's just not working in general, then I'm going to show you a few ways on how to go and solve this issue. Now, the first thing you need to do is power cycle your television. Now, it's really easy to do. Just go and turn off the television like so. You then need to come over to the main power supply and go and unplug your television from the main wall socket. Now once it's unplugged, come round to the physical television and you should have a button on your TV that turns it on and off. Now my power button is located underneath the logo in the middle here, but you can sometimes find this button on the back or also the sides of your TV as well. Now once you've found the power button, just go and hold this down for 30 seconds and this will drain any residual power that may be left in the unit. Now before you plug your TV back into the wall, wait another 30 seconds. You can then re-plug your TV back into the wall socket. You can try turning on your television and you can check to see if Netflix is now working. If you're still having an issue, you may need to go and update your TV firmware. Now this will differ depending on your model of television, but essentially what you need to do is come over to the settings page. So you should have a settings button on the home screen like this, or what you can do is you can just press the settings button on your TV remote and that should bring up the settings like so. You then should have an option to go over to the all settings and then you'll just need to find the setting for updating your television firmware. Now mine's located underneath the system tab, and if I go and select about, you can see that I can update my TV from here. Now once your TV is fully updated, you can check to see if Netflix is now working. Now if it's still not working, you may need to go and clear the cache on Netflix. So again, this will differ depending on your model of television, but essentially what you need to do is come back over to the settings page. If you have an option for apps, then go and click on this. You could then find Netflix from the list of apps and scroll across, and you should have an option here to clear the cache and also clear the data. So you can try selecting both of these options. Once everything's been cleared, try reopening Netflix, and that should have fixed the issue where it keeps freezing.